Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam engaged in i'tikaf during the first 10 nights of Ramadan. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam then held i'tikaf in a Turkish tent during the middle 10 nights of Ramadan. A mat was hanging on the tent entrance. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam removed the mat with his hand and got it to one corner of the tent and then stuck his head out of the tent and addressed the people. The people drew near to him. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said to them, I used to hold i'tikaf during the first 10 nights in search of this night. I then observed i'tikaf during the middle 10 nights. Then someone, an angel, came to me, and it was revealed to me that it was in the last 10 nights. So whosoever wishes observe i'tikaf. The people whereupon observed i'tikaf along with him. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, I saw the valuable night on odd nights, and I was prostrating myself on the water and clay in the morning after the valuable night. On the 21st night, he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam observed standing vigil throughout the night. In the morning, it rained and the roof of the mosque started dripping, and I saw water and clay. When he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam came out after performing the morning prayer, the water and clay had clung to his forehead and the upper edge of his nose, and it was the 21st morning of the last 10 days. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2763.